So we're back with a brand new product, this time from one of our favorite companies, Liquid Death. This is their brand new Death Dust. It is electrolyte drink mix. They have 35 calories each. They have essential vitamins, 5 essential vitamins, 300 milligrams of sodium. The one thing I want to talk about electrolytes is they're not all equal. Your most important one, of course, is going to be sodium. Potassium and magnesium are not going to be as important. The variance is, of course, potassium, magnesium a little bit closer together, but this one has 300 milligrams of sodium, and then it has 200 milligrams of potassium. So you do have less potassium than sodium, so at least you're getting a really good chunk of your sodium in there, and then your magnesium is only 40 milligrams. Then you've got vitamin C, niacin, vitamin B2, vitamin B3. So you got a lot of additional benefits in here. And then check out that awesome artwork on the back. Very Liquid Death. Yeah, they're designed specifically to work with 16 to 20 ounces of water. And that's why we also picked up a couple cans of Liquid Death. We've got the flat and the sparkling. So you can mix them with any water, but why wouldn't you want to mix them with Liquid Death? And then hopefully this means that Liquid Death will also release down the line pre-bottled electrolyte water, which would be nice. But we've got 3 different flavors here. We've got mango chainsaw, severed lime, and convicted melon. Now, between the 3, I think I prefer severed lime most of all, and the convicted melon is one that I really enjoy as well. So we're going to use these 2. I'm going to put the severed lime in the sparkling, which may not work out exactly the way we want, primarily because of the fact that it is sparkling water. I won't put the convicted melon in the still. But yeah, let's open these up and give them a try. I would definitely recommend taking a sip out of the bottle before you pour in the stuff. Okay. The sodium levels are not too high in comparison to the flavor, so that's really good. It does create a very unique and I would say like it's not going to be as powerful of a flavoring of the you can definitely taste that in there. It does say between 16 and 20 ounces. These cans are 19.2, so keep that in mind when you are mixing the flavor packets. A higher amount of liquid is going to distill away some of the flavoring, so keep that in mind. Okay. Learn a lesson. Let's lower that down. I deserve that. The severed lime exploded inside the carbonated one, so keep that in mind. Between the convicted melon in this one and the severed lime in this one, the flavoring is going to be a little bit muted comparatively to if you bought an actual full can of severed lime or convicted melon. But I will specifically say this about it. You can definitely pick up flavor notes. The sodium is not overpowering, and it's going to be very, very enjoyable. It is giving you some electrolytes, and I will also say that because of the fact that it's designed to work with 16 to 20 fluid ounces, the less fluid ounces you use, the better it's going to be for you with regards to tasting the flavoring. The less water you do. So, for instance, this one specifically is 19.2 fluid ounces. So these are a lot. They know they show in like the ad for the flavor packets, put them into the cans. They are hard to mix up in the cans. So also note that as well. So cup, shaker cup, those are going to be great. Don't recommend sparkling water. But I had to give it a try so you guys could see if it was doable or not. And hopefully you guys found this interesting. It's like I said, they're really cool, and I'm glad to see that Liquid Death is entering into this area of marketing as well. And you get quite a bit. This is a 12-pack, so I imagine you get basically 4 of each flavor. So it's really cool. Well, hopefully you guys like this. Hopefully you guys pick up some for yourself, and we will see you guys next time.